I'm Lucas. I'm a 5th grader at Success Academy. Today, I'm going to be a classroom correspondent. We're at Camp Moriah for an overnight field study. In our survival activity, we learn how to survive in the woods. Mr. Bryan, can you give our friends 3 tips of how to stay safe in the woods?
Well, first of all, always tell someone where you're going to go. And take some water and some snacks with you, and building a shelter to help you stay warm and dry. Good job.
Fun fact, this camp was named after Mariah Carey. Yes, that Mariah Carey. She's a board member of the camp and she visits all the time. I wonder if we could run into her. Time for fishing. We're using our rods made out of bamboo and line. Hey Samantha, what's your favorite activity we've done?
Orientating, because you get to learn about landmarks and how to read a map. This could also be really important for survival or even getting around the city.
Thanks for tagging along at camp with me. See you next time. I can't reach.